Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we re-tackling a topic that many of you have asked about, how to do a Brazilian wax at home, but without all the drama and pain. If you've ever been scared to try it yourself, stick around, because I'm sharing 5 little-known hacks that will completely change your at-home waxing game. We're going for smooth salon-quality results, pain-free. Let's get started. First up, hack number 1, proper skin preparation. Seriously, do not skip this. This prep alone can reduce your pain by half. The day before you plan to wax, about 24 hours in advance, gently exfoliate the entire area. This removes dead skin cells and helps prevent ingrown hairs. On the day of, start by cleaning the area with a mild fragrance-free soap and pat it completely dry with a soft towel. You want the skin clean, but not irritated. Now, let's talk hair length. For the wax to grab effectively, your hair should be about 1/4 inch long. Think the length of a grain of rice. If it's longer, trim it down. If it's too short, the wax won't have anything to grip. Also, a quick but important note, avoid using any products with retinol or strong acids on the area for at least a few days before waxing, as they can make your skin extra sensitive. To further prep your body from the inside out, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water makes your skin more pliable and less prone to sensitivity. And here's a pro tip. Avoid caffeine or alcohol right before you wax. They can tighten your pores and increase blood flow, making the experience more uncomfortable. Instead, try to relax. Put on some music, light a candle, and make sure your room is warm so you don't get chills. Your muscles will be less tense, which equals less pain. Finally, always do a patch test with your wax on a small, less sensitive area like your inner arm to check for any reactions. Alright, on to hack number 2. Choosing the right wax. This is a big one. One wrong wax, and you'll feel it for days. For beginners, I almost always recommend hard wax over soft wax. Hard wax is a game changer because it shrink wraps around the hair itself, not your skin. This means it's much gentler and less painful, especially for the sensitive bikini area. Soft wax uses strips and adheres to both hair and skin, which can be more aggressive. Look for waxes that contain skin-soothing ingredients like chamomile or aloe. Many brands now offer hypoallergenic formulas specifically for sensitive skin. You can find fantastic beginner-friendly kits online that come with everything you need: the wax, a warmer, and applicators. When you're looking at different waxes, you might notice that a creamier texture often indicates a gentler formula. It melts at a lower temperature and feels less harsh. Also, consider the tools. Use a spatula that feels comfortable in your hand. Smaller spatulas can give you more precision and control, which is exactly what you need for a Brazilian. And a quick tip about your environment: try to avoid waxing in very humid conditions, as moisture can prevent the wax from adhering properly. Spend some time reading reviews, especially from people with mature or sensitive skin, to find a brand that's trusted and reliable. Now for hack number 3, my favorite because it's the one everyone forgets: pain reduction techniques. You've prepped your skin and chosen the right wax, but what do you do in the moment? First, breathe. Seriously, deep, steady breathing throughout the process will help your body relax and manage the sensations. Don't hold your breath. If you're really nervous about the pain, you can use an over-the-counter numbing cream. Apply it about 30 to 45 minutes before you start, and then wipe it off completely before applying the wax. Another simple trick is to ice the area for a minute or two, right before you apply the wax to numb it slightly. Just make sure the skin is totally dry afterward. A very light dusting of baby powder can help absorb any remaining moisture and give the wax better grip on the hair. When you're actually pulling, the technique is everything. Always hold your skin as taut as you can with your free hand. This is non-negotiable. It stabilizes the skin and significantly reduces the sting. Then, pull the wax strip off in one quick, fluid motion parallel to the skin and against the direction of hair growth. Never pull upwards or slowly. Work in small, manageable sections, about 1 to 2 inches at a time. This gives you more control and is way less overwhelming than trying to do a large area at once. And have your post-wax soothing gel ready to go, so you can apply it right after. Ready for hack number 4. Let's walk through the actual step-by-step, at-home Brazilian. Precision matters more than speed here. First, set up your station in a clean, well-lit space. Have a mirror handy so you can see what you're doing. Heat your wax according to the instructions until it has a thick, honey-like consistency. Before you put it anywhere near your bikini line, test the temperature on the inside of your wrist. It should be warm, not uncomfortably hot. Using your spatula, apply a layer of wax in the direction of your hair growth. Make the edges of your wax strip a little thicker to create a lip that you can grab onto. Let the wax set for about 30 to 60 seconds, until it's firm but still pliable. Now, take a deep breath. Hold the skin taut with one hand, grab the lip of the wax with the other, and pull it back quickly and parallel to your skin, against the direction of hair growth. As soon as the strip is off, immediately press your hand firmly onto the area for a few seconds. This simple trick helps to soothe the nerve endings and instantly eases the sting. Continue this process in small sections, being careful not to go over the same spot more than once to avoid irritation. If you miss a few stray hairs, it's better to tweeze them at the end than to re-wax and risk damaging your skin. Take breaks if you need to. Once you're done, use a pre-wax or post-wax oil to gently remove any sticky residue. And that brings us to our final and most crucial step, hack number 5. Aftercare for smooth, pain-free skin. What you do after waxing is just as important as the prep. Post-wax care is what keeps skin smooth for weeks. The moment you're finished, apply a generous amount of a soothing, fragrance-free gel, like pure aloe vera, to calm the skin and reduce redness. For the next 24 to 48 hours, treat your skin like a delicate flower. That means no hot showers or baths, no saunas, no intense exercise that causes a lot of sweat, and definitely no tanning or direct sun exposure. Wear loose, breathable cotton clothing to let the area breathe and prevent friction. It's also super important not to touch, scratch, or pick at the area. After about 48 hours, you can start gently exfoliating again. This is key to preventing ingrown hairs. Do this 2 to 3 times a week and moisturize daily with a simple, fragrance-free lotion to keep the skin hydrated and healthy. By following a consistent aftercare routine, you'll ensure your results last longer and your next wax will be even easier. So there you have it, 5 hacks to make your at-home Brazilian wax a comfortable, successful, and even empowering experience. It might take a little practice, but you can absolutely achieve smooth, amazing results right at home. If you loved these hacks and found them helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips. And I'd love to know, which hack was your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.